Hey everyone, I'm Julie Queen. I've been in the central Pennsylvania area for about 10 years now, and I really consider myself a pretty experienced backpacker and hiker. I've thru-hiked the Appalachian Trail. I worked for a season on the Appalachian Trail as a ridge runner, and since then I've been doing plenty of overnights and day hikes in the area and all over the country and the world. I think for me to go on trips solo, I think it's good to have a sense of awareness that you are out there alone and as a female, but it's not something that I worry about. For me, it's about really knowing and proving to myself that I can do something on my own, and the sense of solitude that I get from the outdoors is really important to me and really grounding. And for me, the most important part of keeping my mind sort of sharp and stable and grounding is to spend time outdoors, and especially to do that alone every once in a while. As I mentioned, I consider myself a pretty experienced hiker and backpacker, but with AE I've had the opportunity to guide a lot of other activities that I'm really interested in, so paddling and rock climbing and bushcraft skills, as well as the hiking and the backpacking. And so I think what I've sort of experienced with AE, with Cody and Chris, is that they didn't really push me to go in any sort of direction. They really let me be me. And I think what I can bring to the table is to connect with folks and sort of let them realize their potential in the outdoors and to really discover what it is that they're going to be able to find out there.